Well, good evening, my beauties, and how are you? It has been a long time since I've been on here because I was working on my latest book. I have the book finished, draft 1, working on draft 2, but I wanted to at least get draft 1 done. So that one is done. And now I can go on to, I had to do this tonight because I'm very excited. I finally got my Fab Fit Fun box, which look at the size of this sucker. Oh my God. Woo, it's heavy. There is a lot in here and I can't wait to see what's in here. I have not looked. I wanted to share it with you and get started and all that. So anyways, let's get to our Fab Fit Fun and have some fun. I'm so excited. Are you excited? I'm so excited. So anyways, again, here we are. Fab Fit Fun. Wonderful. And let's open her up. Ooh, this is a big box. Oh my, look at that. Oh, that's big. I'm so excited. I hope you are. I haven't done a video in a while, so I'm really excited to get back. And let's see what we've got in here. 15% off. Ooh, look at that. I could pass that on to somebody. And maybe one of you. Who knows? We'll see. Okay, so, and of course, there's the magazine. All right, let's see what we've got in here. Wow, for such a big box. Woo, everything's underneath all the paper. We got something really big right to start off here. What is this? Look at this. A blanket. A blanket. A waffle blanket. Look at that. Is that awesome? Look at that. And it is 50 by 60 inches, so that's a good size. A good size waffle blanket. Excellent. Because winter's coming. It doesn't feel like it. It's hot. Doesn't feel like winter's coming, but it is the middle of September, and you know, it has been a little warm. Warmer than usual, but so what else have we gotten? Wow. All right, what is this? This is, it says on it, Pink Diamond Instant Lifting Serum. Look at that. Pink Diamond Instant Lifting Serum by Rodial. Yeah. Nice. So moving along, let's see what else we've got. Perlis, pumpkin and ginger. So that goes with the season. Detoxifying charcoal mask. It has pumpkins on it. I should have dressed up my area here with fall stuff. That's what it looks like. And this is going right into the bathroom so that I can try it on, a charcoal mask. I like those. So that's pretty cool. Got a little thingy on there. I like masks. A charcoal mask, that's cool, that's good. All kinds of fun things in this box. What have we got here? Caviar anti-aging moisture CC cream, 10-in-1, complete correction leave-on. So you can see what it is. Yeah, it says anti-breakage. Cool. I don't think that's for skin. Yeah, apply evenly to clean, towel dried hair. Awesome. Oh, another hair product. Yes. Now I did get I've gotten a lot of hair products, and I do like that because I have very long, thick hair, very wavy when it's not tied back. And I tried a shampoo and conditioner that I got in another unboxing. And I have to say I'm not really pleased with it. I mean, you know, my hair feels really nice the day after I shampoo it, but I found that it gets oily really fast with this stuff. So I'm always looking for more hair products. I should probably bring this stuff in to do reviews and stuff like that, but I'm just getting back, so I will. Okay, so that's one side of the box. Okay, on the second side we have something in a big, what have we got in here? What's this say? The Two Bandits. And it says, what is this? I'm excited. Oh. I'm excited to see what this is. Are you? I am. It looks like this. Anybody want to tell me what that is? Oh, look at this. It opens up. Oh, that's so cool. I think you could just put stuff in here. It's got like a felt bottom, and you just open it up and you could put stuff in there. You could put it any shape you want, or you could close it up. Oh, that's really cool. Third catch-all tray. Yeah. Huh. Interesting. That'll be good on my desk because I have so much little thingies that I'm always, throwing here and there, and this way I can put them in there and organize them. I like that. Let's see, what else have we got in here? What is this? Oh, this is hilarious. It's an eyelash curler. This is funny because in quite a few of my videos, I talk about how little my eyelashes are and that I've never been able to use an eyelash curler because they're just too small. They don't reach the, I put them on my eye and the eyelashes don't reach because they're so small. And I've had that problem my whole life. I've always had little eyelashes. Although today, in one of my last unboxings, I got some mascara that I put on today, and it actually worked pretty good. I was shocked that it actually made me look like I have eyelashes. Now it's been so long since I've used one of these or tried to use one. Wow. I don't know. Oh my goodness gracious. I know they work. Like little torture devices. Okay, moving on. Pretty color. Nice copper color. Well, we shall see. Maybe I'll have to try it again in front of a mirror and really, see if I can. I doubt it, though. If I couldn't get my lashes to reach the eyelash curlers when I was in my 20s and actually had eyelashes, I don't think they're going to get there at 56. Heineken. 0% alcohol. What is this? Are they sending me booze in it? It's a drink. It is. It's a drink. It's a non-alcoholic drink. Alcohol-free, premium quality. Well, I don't drink beer, so that's what it looks like. Brewed in Holland. I'll give it to my brother. My brother will like that. He doesn't like Heineken usually, but he does like beers. He likes fancy beers. But I'll give it to him, see if he wants it. Oh, two more. Little tiny lip balm. Oh, well, that's good. Just a little lip balm. It was at the bottom. It was hiding. It was hiding under all the paper. Okay, so I better not let my cats go anywhere near this box full of paper. Keep sending age-defying stuff. They must have figured out that I'm old. There you go. Look at that. Let's see. MAD, Mad Skincare. Let's see where we're going here. Here you go. That's big, too. Well, that's it. Well, that's not a bad haul. And I'm so happy to hook up with you again. And I hope you come back. Tell your friends. Let me know. What do you want to see? What do you want to do? Let's have some fun. Okay. Well, you have a very good day or evening, whichever the case may be. And stay beautiful.